Hey guys, welcome back. So here we are with the VFR. So as you've seen, we've gotten most of the bike cleaned up and painted. So now we've got to deal with the mechanical issues, which there are a few on this bike. If you see this pink wire just laying out here, the reason for that is I was testing it. So the bike came with a harness, and I'm new to VFRs. I haven't worked on many of them. So the bike's harness had been eaten by a rat, like I mentioned, and it came with another harness. Well, the other harness was actually for a 2001, or whichever year it is, VFR800 that has the O2 sensors. So the wiring harness is actually a little bit different in several areas, namely some of the power wires to the sensor. So what I was doing there is I pulled that wire out of the old harness. It was just kind of using it to test and make sure the engine run before I spent too much time and money on this bike. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take this harness off first. That's going to be the first step. I've already got a new one in, and I've probably taken the throttle bodies off and out of the way as well. So we'll probably just start there and start taking some stuff off. This of course is the ECU. It's in the tail of these bikes. Just got a clip on the bottom. Just like that. Probably go ahead and take the throttle bodies off. They're kind of already off because when I was washing it, as you saw, so they're just kind of stuck on right now. Go ahead and take that out, and hopefully I can just pop them off. Nope.
Okay, so a little more background on what I'm doing here. The reason I'm taking this harness off, because this was the one that came with the bike that turned out to be the wrong harness. And then I ordered another one on eBay. So that's what I'm gonna be putting on here in a few minutes.
Okay, so from taking that off, we definitely know that that's going to be the hardest part to get the wiring harness back through. So we're going to basically do the exact opposite of we did getting it out. We'll start with these big plugs first, get those through. There we go. From here on, I'll probably just start with the longest one. Probably would have been easier to just take this off. Oh well. Almost got all these. Okay, so I'm not sure where any of this goes up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and look at the manual now and take a quick break.